Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer business depreciation schedules into FreshBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your FreshBooks account and navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Accounting tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Reports within the Accounting section. Find the depreciation schedule report that you need to transfer. Download your current depreciation schedule from your existing accounting software. Ensure the file is in a compatible format, such as CSV or Excel. Open the downloaded file and review the data. Check that all relevant information, including asset details, acquisition dates, and depreciation amounts, is accurate. Highlight the columns containing the necessary data for FreshBooks. Copy the highlighted data to your clipboard. Return to your FreshBooks account. Navigate back to the Accounting section. Select Expenses from the menu. Click on the Add Expense button. In the expense entry form, fill in the fields for each asset. Paste the copied data into the appropriate expense fields. Double-check that all information, such as dates and amounts, are entered correctly. Assign each entry to the corresponding category or project within FreshBooks. Once all entries are added, click on Save. Review your newly entered depreciation schedule in the Expenses section. Make any necessary adjustments or edits to ensure accuracy. Generate a new report to see the updated depreciation figures. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your depreciation schedule into FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.